Software. Computer software, also called software, is a set of instruction and its documentations that tells a computer what to do or how to perform a task. Software includes all different software programs on a computer, such as applications and the operating system. Without software, computer would be useless. Computer can neither think nor work on its own. It has to be provided with a set of predefined instructions which are written in a computer language. Such sets of instructions are known as program. A set of organized programs meant for a specific purpose is known as software. Software can be broadly classified as application software, system software, and utility software. An application is any program or group of programs that is designed for the end user. Application software, also called end user programs, include such things as database programs, word processor, web browser, and spreadsheet. Application software refers to programs which are designed to accomplish particular type of task to meet a user's specific needs. Application software can be classified into two categories: application package and customized package. Application package is a type of software that can perform many different related tasks. Word processor, spreadsheet, databases, graphics, and presentation software are example of application package. Application packages are typically designed to accomplish some specific type of task which meet the needs of general user. Some example of application package are word processing package, spreadsheet package, database management package, DTP package, desktop publishing, CAD package, computer aided design, CASE package, computer aided software engineering package, or presentation package. Customized software, also known as tailor-made software, it is a software that is specially developed for organization or other small scale businesses. It is developed for a single customer or organization, accommodating customers' particular preference and expectations. Software which is designed especially for a specific purpose to fulfill the requirement of a particular individual or an organization is called a customized software. It is also called tailor-made software. System software. It is a type of computer program that is designed to run a computer's hardware and application programs. If we think of the computer system as a layered model, the system software is the interface between the hardware and user application. The operating system manages all the other programs in a computer. System software helps the user to operate the computer system and utilize its different resources. It coordinates the operation and functioning of a computer along with the attached hardware components of the computer. System software acts as an interface or a bridge between the user and the computer. System software can be broadly classified into operating system and language processor. An operating system is a software that allows a user to run other applications on a computing devices. The operating system manages a computer software hardware resources including input devices such as a keyboard and a mouse. An operating system is a system software that acts as an interface between hardware and the user. It manages and coordinates the operation and the sharing of resources of the computer. It acts as a host for applications that run on the computer and handle the operation of the hardware. Language processor. In a computer, there is a language processor that converts machine language into common language and vice versa. It is also known as translator. Some translator are assembler, interpreter and compiler. Assembler. It translates instruction written in assembly language statements into the instruction of machine language. Compiler. A compiler converts the whole program into machine language at one go. Interpreter. It converts the program written in high-level language into machine language line by line. Language processor is a type of system software that helps in converting programs in high-level language to machine understandable language. Software or programs are set of instructions that are written in programming language. Usually a programmer writes program in high-level language. Utility software. It is a software designed to help to analyze, configure, optimize or maintain a computer. It is used to support the computer infrastructure in contrast to application software which is aimed at directly performing tasks that benefit ordinary user. Utility software is a set of small programs that support the execution and operation of the computer system by doing additional works like scanning the hard disk, virus scanning to check the infected file, etc. Utilities are neither completely system software nor application software. It is difficult to make a definite list of utility software, but the most common type are disk and file management, internet security and OS customization tools. Device driver. In computing, a device driver is a computer program that operates or controls a particular type of device that is attached to a computer. Drivers are hardware dependent and operating system specific. They usually provide the interrupt handling required for any necessary asynchronous time-dependent hardware interface. A device driver is a form of software that enables a device to be compatible with the computer. It activates the specific hardware device that can be easily interpreted by the CPU resources. Device drivers are operating system specific and hardware dependent computer programs which may automatically get activated whenever the hardware device is attached to the computer. Kernel. Kernel is the core part of an operating system that does all major activities such as memory allocation, CPU time, scheduling, etc. of the operating system. Kernel helps in initialization functions such as checking memory. It allocates and deallocates memory space which allows software to run. Kernel provides service that intercept the hardware request from the application software.